These are the tools needed to adjust the chip limit switch: a 4mm T-handle, a 5mm T-handle, and a 10mm socket. The chip limit switch allows the ChipStar to pause or reverse the conveyor if there are too many chips being transported to the color line reader. This sound will occur when the chip limit switch is activated. This could point to sticky chips, clay chips, or foreign objects being introduced to the machine. Or it could mean the chip limit switch is out of adjustment. To adjust the chip limit switch, we must first remove the rear cover and set aside. Next, we need to remove the pre-separator. Unplug the two harnesses and the ground cable. Next, undo the two security straps on either side. Then carefully pull the pre-separator towards you using the metal handle. Lift out of the machine and set aside. The chip limit switch is located behind this metal plate. This is the chip limit switch. This is the 10mm nut that secures the switch. These are the two screws that secure the white deflector plate. Make sure the screws securing the deflector plate are tight. Use your 10mm socket to ensure the switch is tightly secured. Next, use your 5mm T-handle to adjust the gap between the deflector plate and conveyor belt. There should only be enough clearance for one chip to pass through at a time. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.